In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 63 by 2 using the long division method. We know that 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 3 here. Now see that this is the number 3. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that this one is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why we will borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 63 divided by 2 is equal to 31.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.